Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to draw these shapes. Let's go. Let's draw these shapes. It's a rectangle. It's a circle. It's a star. It's a triangle. It's a heart. It's a square. Now we will learn some colors. Green color, red color, blue color, pink color, green color, brown color, orange color, indigo color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color, and purple. Now, let's color these shapes. Let's go. Red color, it's a rectangle. Green color, it's a circle. Yellow color, it's a star. Sky blue color, it's a triangle. Orange color, it's a heart. Pink color, it's a square. Wow, these shapes are looking so beautiful. We will learn the names of these shapes. Let's go, come on. It's a rectangle. It's a circle. It's a star. It's a triangle. It's a heart. It's a square.
Yay!
Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye.